In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw and add your signature in DocuSign. If you need to sign a DocuSign document and you want to create your signature by drawing it yourself, this process is very simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along from start to finish without confusion. First, open the DocuSign document that you need to sign. Make sure you are in the correct document and that it has fully loaded before moving on. Once you're ready, select Review Document. This will open the signing view and take you into the document where all required fields are marked for you. Next, select Continue to begin the signing process. At this point, DocuSign will guide you through the document using highlighted fields. Follow those highlighted areas one by one until you reach the signature field. This is important because DocuSign is designed to move you efficiently through each place that needs your attention. When you arrive at the signature field, select it. A signature setup window should appear. If the option is available, choose Draw so you can create your signature manually instead of using a typed or pre-formatted version. This is useful if you want your signature to look more natural and closer to how you normally sign documents. Now use your mouse, trackpad, touchscreen, or any other supported input device to draw your signature. Take your time here, especially if you're using a mouse or trackpad, since those can be a little harder to control. If your first attempt doesn't look right, you can usually clear it and try again before applying it. Once you've drawn your signature, review it carefully. Make sure it looks acceptable and that it represents the signature you want to place on the document. When you're satisfied, select Adopt and Sign, or the equivalent option shown on your screen to apply the signature. After that, check that your signature appears correctly in the document. This quick review helps you confirm that it was placed in the right location and displayed the way you expected. Then, complete any remaining required fields in the document. These may include dates, initials, checkboxes, or other requested information, so be sure everything marked as required is filled in. Finally, select Finish to complete the signing process. Once you do that, your signed document will be submitted through DocuSign. Thanks for watching.